Echidnas are cute and fascinating animals. They are also known as spiny anteaters because they have spines all over their bodies. They live in Australia and New Guinea and are one of the few mammals that lay eggs. Echidnas are covered in thick fur and spines to protect them from predators. They use their long snouts to search for ants and termites, which they eat with their sticky tongues. They also have strong front claws for digging. When echidnas lay eggs, they incubate them by curling up around them and keeping them warm. After hatching, the baby echidnas, called puggles, are carried in a pouch for about 2 months before they start to venture out on their own. Echidnas are amazing animals that are important to their ecosystems. They help control insect populations and are also a source of food for predators. It's important to protect them and their habitats so that they can continue to thrive in the wild.